Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Syazwan bin Amir and my student ID is 2021126087. So I'm from class EE2413A. So the purpose that I record this video is I would like to present the my mini project program for my subject ECE 341. It's that will the that has given the task given for me, which is ATM machine, which is ATM system. So we are going through to the objective of this mini project. So point number one of the objective here is to determine and understand the functional ATM system works in this program. So ATM system here is my title of my mini project that I need to create inside this mini project program. So point number two is to design and develop a fully functional C++ program of ATM system by following the actual ATM system characteristic, which is check pin number with card, withdraw money, transfer money to another account, and check value. Characteristic here is referred to the figures and the type of the transaction at the actual ATM machine. So point number three is ability to create, select, and apply appropriate technique, resources, and modern engineering and IT tools, including prediction and modeling involving complex electrical engineering activities. This objective here, I need to implement on my own way to create this ATM machine. So I just need to use my basic knowledge about C++ that I have studied inside the previous class to create this ATM machine. So straight to the point, we are going through to the coding part of this mini project. So this is my part of the coding that I have created here, that I have compiling and run here. So I have used to create the coding of my mini project ATM system using online GDB platform. The online website, they have a compiler and debugger for C++. So this is my project title, mini project title, which is ATM machine, ATM system. So for my coding, I have five file inside my the coding here I have separated into the five file, which is main.cpp, menu.cpp, menu.h, bank.h, bank.cpp, and bank.h. So we are going to the first file, which is main.cpp. Inside the main.cpp, I have include the library menu.h, bank.h, which is will be calling function from file menu.h and also bank.h here. We'll be going to inside in this the main.cpp. Inside the program of the main, which is we have the cout statement in line 7 until line 10, which is just my mini project title, my name, my class, also my ID number. So inside the main program also we have used the method of do and while. Inside the do, we have declare about bank IS. IS is just unknown number that we have attached together with the member function that we operate inside the bank.cpp. So in the case 1 until 7, we have calling the member function inside the cpp through the system that through the system and transition that we have arranged in the menu.cpp. So when you use basically case number 7 is not calling any member function inside the class of the bank.cpp, because we refer to the menu.cpp here in the menu number 7, which is exit the program. So to exit the program is just we need to exit 0 here, so the program will be come out with this case this statement, output statement, which is thank you for using Minislab. So while if the choice number 8, so when the user just need to choose the case 1 until 7 only. So we are going to menu.cpp, which is inside the menu.cpp we have used to is the program will become out this output statement, which is the menu of the ATM machine. We have menu number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the last of the output here, which is enter your choice. So the user need to press the menu, the number have that inside the menu here, which is 1 until 7 only. Which is we have that limit here, choice higher than 7 and or choice less than 1. So if the user press the other number than other number than 1 until 7, will be come out this with the output statement, which is error. Please enter a number from 1 until 7 for your choice. Inside the choice we have the switch choice, which is all of the case will be written to the number of the case also respectively. So after the program have done, we need to return choice. So we are going to the file menu.h. Inside the menu.h we have library if and def menu underscore http. Another one we have define menu underscore http. This menu.h, this file we just declare and pass the file from the menu.cpp, and we hold the all operation inside this file. So it's just from the menu.cpp program will be passed into the menu.h, and the menu.h will be hold the program of menu.cpp. So after that menu.h will be calling inside to the main.cpp. So it's same way into the bank.h. Bank.h we have also declared the class of our system. We have the class, the name is bank. Inside the class bank we have the private and public part. The private part and the public part is we have a difference, because the public is all the close members declared under, which is this one, and this public. All the class members declared under public will be available to everyone. The data members and member function declared public can be accessed by other clusters too. So inside the public we have all of the member function we have declared here. Void new user, void already user, void deposit, void withdraw, void transfer, and lastly we have void user balance. Inside the private part we have declared about integer pin, double balance, string ID, pass, name, and forward. So the difference the private part and the public part is the private part, the class member declared as a private can be accessed only by the function inside the class. They are not allowed to be accessed directly by any object or function outside the class. So that's mean the private part will be used and utilized inside this one or inside this all of this member function only. They cannot be accessed directly by an object or function outside the class. So inside the bank.cpp is this all of the class we use inside this program. We have operation of class new user. We have also member function number 2, bank already user class here. So void bank user balance, the member function number 3, and then inside the member function is the all operation to check the bank user. We have void bank deposit, also void bank withdraw here, and void bank transfer is member function, and this is the last. So the inside this member function have their own program to check either the feeders to work properly. So basically, if you know here, I have used to all of these member function I have implement to open and close the file, which is ASCII file, which is in it here. The name is bank.txt. So bank.txt here will be create and will be open and close each with every time inside the all of this member function. This is because when I have register, which is inside the new user here, I have to register the account bank. So after I have registered account bank, the file open and file close here will be read and write into this bank.txt file. So inside this program, I have already 2 account bank, which is this ID number 1 Syazwan 20, ID number 2 is Rokia 10. So this all of information that the user have registered in this program. We have the account bank ID, the username, the PIN number, the password, the phone number, and also the balance. This is balance of the inside the account. Inside the account number 1, Syazwan 20 have RM650. Inside account number 2, Rokia 10 have RM800. That's why inside the all of the member function, I have calling all of the account. I have file open and file close here, because the all of the operation here, which is we have deposit, we have a withdraw, we have a transfer. The operation here, we have the minus and the plus the money inside the account balance. So after I have used to deposit, withdraw, and transfer, the latest remaining balance will be updated into this account number in this file. All of these are referred to the user ID that I have declared, that I have insert into the part of this member function. So let's go compile this program and run this program also to demonstrate this program either is run properly or not. So when I have run this program, so here we have the menu given, the output come out. We have the menu number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So when a user is the first time use this ATM machine, the user need to press number 1. The menu number 1, we have a new user, register your bank account here. So when I press number 1, so this all the warning here is just description. The description only to user need be alert and more alert to create before they need to create their account bank. So I just read this description here. You need to create your own account bank ID with combination of letters and numbers characteristic. As example, create an account bank ID Syazwan 20. So the user need to combine the part of his name, and we need to plus with the number of the digit, which is as example here is Syazwan 20. So the description number 2, sorry, right, again is, I think you have limit of time. So point number 2, if you want to register with one long name, you must separate by using underscore symbol only and not by spacing. Because of this program, I inside the username I have user string. So uses when I use a string, the system will not allow to do to use a spacing. We need to attach with underscore symbol when we need to create the long name. So description number 3, you need to create your own 5 digit to your account bank PIN number. So just 5 maximum only to create our PIN number. So description number 4, create account password for safety purpose. Number 5 here, insert your phone number for database registration. So point number last, user need to deposit a few of money in RM for the first time to open this account. So basically it's like same as the actual other bank corporation, because they will like to ask the user when we open the account bank, we need to insert the at least 20 until RM20 until RM50 to open the account bank. So we just insert the account bank ID. So I create here, the name is Aman, my third ID number. So I attach with the number 30. After that, create your account username. So Aman underscore, don't forget the underscore, not spacing it. Then the uppercase letter, uppercase, and underscore bin Amir. After that, the program will be asked create your PIN number, maximum with 5 digit. So I said here is 333, repeatedly 5 times. 3. So create your password. The password here is like the safety purpose. So you need to create any kind of the password. So in this case, I like to create password 20202. So insert the phone number. This is my phone number, 01687954321. And just the phone number is not properly exists, but I'm just insert into this program. So deposit the money account. So I will interest to insert 300 ringgits only from inside this account number. After that, the output come out here, which is new account bank user successfully created. So this account bank that I have created here will be going to the file bank.txt that I have mentioned before. They will be checked here. We can check if the account ID is registered or not. So we inside the menu here, we choose number 2. Have registered, check your account details here. So press number 2. So it will be asked, the program will be asked the account bank ID for the first time. So we just insert amount 30 that previous account bank that we have in registered before. So the account bank amount 30 is already registered. When this will be come out for this output here, which is account bank ID, will be display account bank ID, the account bank username, PIN number, password and phone number that have been registered inside this program. So after I have registered here, so I would like to check the balance. So to check the balance, we need to press number 3. So account bank ID, we insert Aman 30. So Aman 30 here, and will be asked the PIN number that I have registered 33, repeat it 5 times. If the correct, will be going to the password. Password is 20202. If the all of the feeders here, the asking account bank ID, account PIN number and password is correctly, the account will be appear the account remaining balance. So it is true, it's 300 ringgit inside this bank account, because I even do the withdraw deposit inside this program. So after that, I would like to deposit for this account number. So to deposit account number, I need to press number 4 to the menu given, and down we need to insert the account bank amount 30, and also account PIN number 33333. So the amount for deposit, any amount for deposit you have in money. So I would like to insert 700 ringgit. So here is appear your amount 700 successfully deposit. Your account remaining balance is RM 1000. So 1000 ringgit will be updated into this account bank amount 30. So if you like to use the withdraw this money, I would like to use this money for other purpose. So the user has to choose number 5. If we use it, just number 5 withdraw option to withdraw. So the program will be asked to account bank ID, which is Aman 30. Account bank ID 333, repeatedly 5 times, and then amount of withdrawal. Then I would like interest to withdraw 200 for this time, and then after that the program will become out your amount 200 successfully withdraw. Your account's remaining balance is RM 800. So from the 1000 will be deducted 200, and then will be 800 ringgit inside this account bank amount 30. So there's the transition of deposit and withdrawal option is successfully run. So the last one of the feeders we need to fund transfer, which is I need to transfer the money from one account to another account. So from here, from the bank.txt here, we have 2 others. The bank account already exists. So I would like to use this fund transfer, which is we have Aman also will become out in account number 3. So I would like to fund transfer from account bank Aman and transfer a few of money inside another bank for both of these banks. So I will like menu given is number. So sorry. Okay. When the menu asks the choose to number 6 to fund transfer. So we choose number 6, and inside the sender payment fund transfer, it will come out this payment fund transfer, and the program will be asked inside the sender account bank ID. So I would like to choose Aman that we registered in this program, Aman 30. So it will be next come out inside the sender account pin number. So the Aman 30 account pin is 333 repeated 5 times. So this is 5 digit. So inside the receiver account. So this one I would like to choose and one of this account bank number. So this it will be appear here, this bank account bank Aman here. Oh, because I have stopped this program. That's why that has come out this account bank number 3, which is Aman 30. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it will be run again. So enter 6, and I'll insert the Aman 30 for be a sender. Sorry, this will be late. 30 by a sender account bank ID for this transfer transaction, and account pin number is 333 repeat 5 times, and insert the receiver. So I would like to choose for another account bank that I have registered, which is either is Syazwan 20 or 10. So in this case, I would like to choose Syazwan 20 to insert a few of money that I will interest here. So I just choose Syazwan. I'm sorry. So the uppercase and lowercase will be we need to alert about the uppercase or lowercase of account ID. If we insert the wrong account ID, will be going the output come out will be invalid of this transaction. So Syazwan 20. So enter the transaction amount. If let's say I would like to transfer 200 into the Syazwan 20. So here will be come out your transaction has been successful. So you have transfer RM200 to account Syazwan 20. If we want to check either is successfully true, it's a program or transfer function, we just need to check inquire balance against for the both of the account sender and the receiver account bank ID. So press number 3. Account bank ID, we look the sender account bank ID first for the transfer function, Aman 30, and then insert the pin number 33333, password 20202. So the account's remaining balance is RM600 from the 800 that we have deposit, withdraw, so and transfer. The account remaining balance from the Aman 30 is 600 ringgit only. So let's say we check the balance of account bank Syazwan 30, and my PIN number is, sorry I forgot about it, 111 repeat 5 times, and then password is 9999 repeat 5 times, and then my balance is 815 here from 650 ringgit, and additional by the 200 ringgit will be 850. So there's proof that the fund transfer, all of the transaction will be completely successful. So after that, we need to exit this program. So thank you for using my stuff. So that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.